Hi guys, today I'm just going to be opening this Monster High doll. I am so excited. Let me just put my Alexa on. Be right back. Okay, I'm back and I put my Alexa on. I put my favorite song. So now let's start to open this Monster High doll. I'm really excited because it's my I don't know, cause I like unlimited Monster High doll. I just get any I want. Sorry to open because they have tape on them. And I have scissors here. Make sure to ask an adult if you're gonna use scissors for something. But I got it. I used scissors before. No, I just gonna use the scissors. Let's do this. Okay. So I just gonna tear it apart. I really don't want to do this, but I feel so sad just to tear the box apart because these boxes are really cute. Oh my god, these are so hard to open. Okay, there's okay, so there's the first side, and then we can just pull that out from the last side. Yay, I can just pull it out. Oh, it looks like there's instructions. I did this before, so I'll need the instructions. Now we take the key off to open it. Okay, there we go. Hold on, let me, this is what the key looks like. It says on the box to look for mysteries. I don't know what it means, mysteries. Okay, I have no idea what it means by that, but let's just use this key to open it. I hope she turns out pretty. So let's open the... Here's our first blind bag. And here's our second. Some of these feel like squishy. I don't know why. Okay, let's close it and lock it up. Let's lock it up. It's hard to unlock and lock. Okay, there. Now let's open the other one. Okay, so there we go. Here's our third blind bag, and here's our fourth blind bag. We got 4 blind bags. Hold on, the song just ended. I have to play another song. Be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. There it is. Not again. I have to ask my Alexa to play another song. Not again. Be right back, guys. Again. Alexa, play APT. Okay, I'm back. This is the gingerbread house. Let me just open this up. Okay, so there we go. It didn't even open. Okay, let's cut that one more time. Okay, so there we go. The gingerbread house. It's cute. And the final thing, her shoes. They're really pretty. These are very cute. There's shoe number 1. Look at this shoe number 2. Here, I can show you in camera. That is very cute. Okay, so this is on the instructions. Same things. I have to put it inside here, and I just like slide it up. Wait, oh, what's that? What is that? No, it's stuck on here. How do I do this? I think this is stuck on here now. Okay, I'm just gonna pull her out. That's not it. Oh my god. She is so cute. It's like extra things. Oh my god. That is the prettiest doll I've ever seen. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. Let me see. Relax. I'm gonna fix her. Wait, just do something with her. Oh my god, look at her. She is so pretty. There's her face, her like body. That is so pretty. Let me try to take her out. Wait, why can't I didn't notice that it has like plastic on it. Okay, so there we go. Ooh, okay, so then I just got her legs out. Not again, I have to play my Alexa. The 4th time, I'm guessing. Okay, be right back, guys. Alexa, play. Okay, I'm back. Okay, this is a song I really like. This is hard. It's hard to do it. Oh god. That's a really pretty doll. Okay, there we go. She has pigtails, it looks like. Just there we go. She is so pretty, guys. Oh my god. This is the prettiest doll I've ever seen. Oh my god, she is so pretty. Want to see her, guys? Okay, this is what she looks like. Here's her face again. Just her body. Ooh, I got fixed light. Oh my god. Okay, so let's put the gingerbread house on the tray. Okay, here it has little holes to attach it. That is so cute. Okay. Oh my god, that's so pretty. That is so cute. Hold on, I think I do have one more thing to unbox. Let me go get it, guys. BRB. This is what I got. Okay, so certainly not gonna cut this on. Okay, I'm back. Because this is open because my mom bought this from someone else because they said this is the one they hated. So, I think all the accessories are on it, but they're both duplicates. So one is accessories inside it, and oh my god, it looks like it's pom pom putty. Wait, hold on, let me show you the bag. It's a LOL doll bag. Oh my god, her hat's so cute. Sorry. And then her cup, that's a fat cup. And then these are her shoes. That is so cute. And then, like again, the bag. It's the bag, the hat, the bottle, and then the shoes. We got extra of everything because they were duplicates. But I really wanted Pom Pom Pudding because she is like kind of like my favorite. But who I really wanted was I really wanted what's his name again? Karopi. I really want that one. That one's so cute. This is my favorite character. Oh, I forgot the outfit from the accessory one. But I'll show you, guys, the dolls in a second, okay? Let me just do something. I'm just doing something. So here's the other outfit, and then, hold on. So I opened it. So let's look at the doll. The doll is so cute. I should say LOL because it's not an actual doll. Here's the other one. Okay, so let's close this. Close this. Okay, there we go. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so here's a doll. Like I said, I'm just gonna, like I said, she did not come out in the splits like the other dolls because, like I said, my mom bought this from someone else because they really hated Pom Pom. So they got 3, but out of the 3, it was 2 Pom Poms and a cinnamon roll one. Let me put her shoes on. I'll show you guys what she looks like. What she looks like when I'm done putting her stuff on. Okay, so unfortunately the bag does not fit on her hands. Look, it'll just slide off, but her bottle could fit in her mouth. Yeah. Let me just up the other one now. They were so cute. This one is my favorite one. Her hat just slided off. Okay, let me just up the other one now. Let me just put it on. Okay, so there we go. So here's the other one. I basically got twins because my mom's knows I really like Hello Kitty, so she got it from someone else. So that's all for today. Bye guys.